You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is w equals 59/4. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Multiply the fractions. Simplify the arithmetic. Swap sides. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 31 from both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Isolate the w. Divide both sides by 2. Simplify the fraction. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is w equals 59/4.